Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. This is the second video in this series. We are talking about the important questions for ESI which are useful for your NABARD Grade A and Grade B exam. First question is, Delhi government has launched an e-learning portal comprising of 10,000 instructional material and course content for students of class 1st to class 12th. What is the name of this portal? You have these 5 options. Very simple, straightforward question, and this is named as LEAD, L-E-A-D, that stands for Learning Through E-Resources Made Accessible for Delhi, and this project will be under the leadership of the State Council for Education, Research and Training, SCERT, which is of Delhi government. Chief Minister of Karnataka launched Weaver Samman Yojana. How much is the amount that will be given under this scheme? Again, a very straightforward question, and this is about weavers. Questions related to poor people, rural economy, agriculture are important for your NABARD exam. Here the correct answer is 2000 rupees. This is to provide financial assistance to about 20,000 handloom weavers in the state of Karnataka through a DBT, direct benefit transfer, and government has allocated 10.96 crore rupees for this scheme. Third question is Environmental Performance Index, EPI. So in the exam, if the question is what is EPI, you have to also understand this, know the name of this. It is Environmental Performance Index. It ranks 180 countries on environmental health and ecosystem vitality of the country using 32 performance indicators across 11 categories. What is the rank of India as per EPI 2020? And here the answer is B, 168. With a score of 27 out of 100, India's rank is 168 in 180 countries, and this EPI is released biannual basis jointly by Yale University and Columbia University. Another question which can be framed on this: which country is ranked number 1? So this is Denmark. When you are reading information, read all in complete so that you don't miss anything in the exam. The Bpedia, which you can download from our website iexamb.com for free, is going to provide you these kind of detailed information for exam purpose. Fourth question is, which of the following initiative is launched by Government of India to take the impact of COVID-19 on Shramik, migrant workers in India? I think this we have discussed many number of times. The correct answer of this is Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. This scheme is a joint effort of 12 different ministries department and covers 25 categories of the works and activities. It is a rural public work scheme which was launched on 20th June 2020 and with initial funding of 50,000 crore rupees with an aim of providing 120 days employment. Remember this also, what is the aim of Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. Fifth question, the Committee for Draft National Education Policy was constituted by Ministry of Human Resource Development in June 17. You know the name of the ministry is also now being changed from HRD to Education Ministry. The new policy is launched recently. The committee submitted its reports in May 19. Now you have to answer who chairs the mentioned committee. Isn't it an important question for the exam? I think this is very one. K. Kasturirangan. He was heading this committee. Dr. Kasturirangan is a well-known space scientist who was heading ISRO, and he was also a former chancellor of JNU. If you are interested in such more questions and also learning material in form of the videos, study notes and mock test including descriptive test, please go for the demo of this course at iexamb.com. In addition to the learning content, interesting thing will be live classes, doubt clarification with the faculty, including your 101 sessions where you get the personalized guidance. The sixth question here is, based on Nature's Index 2020, which of the following institute in India are in top 3 institute? So one of this is not there, but in extreme case the answer can be none of these also. But here it is IIT Bombay which is not in this list, and as per this index India ranked 12th. The top positions are with USA, China, Germany, UK and Japan, and from India top 3 are CSIR, IISc, TFIR. The 15th Finance Commission is constituted in November 17. Who is the chairman of this commission? I think this is again a simple question, and his opinion, articles and interview keep on coming in newspaper also. N.K. Singh is heading this commission, and the recommended period for 15th Finance Commission is from 2020 to 2025. You shall also know that Finance Commission works for advising what shall be the share of taxes between central and state government. It's a constitutional body. The scheme launched by Odisha government, designed in collaboration with NABARD to provide 1040 crore rupees agriculture credit to 7 lakh landless farmers facing hardship during COVID-19 is called. We know in exams some important state government schemes are asked at times, and this is in collaboration with NABARD, so you have to just tell the name of the scheme. This is called Balaram scheme. Ninth question, what is the estimated cost of extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana PMGKAY for April-November 2020? Because this has been in news in recent time, so you know these numbers, and this is 1,48,938 crore. The 10th question, as per Global Trend Report, nearly how many people were forcibly displaced by the end of year 2019? And the correct answer to this one is 80 million people, as per Global Trend Report released every year by UNHCR, United Nations High Commission of Refugees, and countries Syria, Venezuela, Afghanistan, South Sudan and Myanmar accounts for 2/3 of the people displaced across border. From Myanmar, Rohingya refugees also came to India. Practicing exam-like question is very important. At iExamB, you get best quality online practice test absolutely free. This is the best gift for the Friendship Day. To know more, contact us at 9205524028. You can WhatsApp, SMS or call. Remember, you have to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Exam है तो iExamB है.